You want to select your 3 locks where you want your headband to start. For instance, me, I want my headband to go across just here. If you want it to be closer to the front, you can select your 3 locks from right here, and it'll be closer to your hairline. To add the gold string, you just take your 3 locks and you wrap it just like this, okay? And you just connect the 2 strings to 2 of the strands in your plait. Let's begin making your plait.
You can get the sauce.